Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Then get this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can read all about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!